morning, everybody. Let me introduce myself. I am Jocelyn Imbice, your subject teacher in ICT 9 Computer Hardware Servicing. This lesson will be your third quarter in week 2. Our topic for today is all about materials, tools, equipment, and testing devices. The objectives for today's lesson: first, to have explained equipment and accessories, and last but not the least, understand tools and materials. But before we will proceed to our discussion, let's have an agreement first. Be a good listener, and if you like to become a good listener, only your eyes and ears open. Is that clear, class? Okay, let's proceed to materials. Materials is a substance or mixture of substances that constitutes an object. Materials can be pure or impure, living or non-living matter. Materials can be classified based on their physical and chemical properties, or on their geological origin or biological function. Materials science is the study of materials and their applications. Tools is an object used to extend the ability of an individual to modify features of the surrounding environment. Equipment, the necessary items for a particular purpose. And last but not the least, we have testing devices, are the various models of mobile handsets that are used to run the website or apps in order to test its functioning and behavioral patterns. These are actual handsets that the end user would use. These are the materials, tools, equipment, and testing devices. The following tools and equipment are classified according to their functions and uses. Equipment and accessories. First, we have the LAN card, UPS, server, 24-port hub, modem, fax machine, PC video camera, USB external CD writer, USB scanner, USB printers, and USB flash drive. Let's proceed in tools. We have screwdriver, standard screwdriver, Phillips, long nose pliers, mechanical pliers, Allen wrench, multi-tester, premium tools, soldering iron or in 30 watts, wire stripper, LAN tester, anti-static, wrist wrap, and device drives installer. Materials. We have software application, network OS software, RG45, UTP-Cat 5 cable, motherboards manual and installer, and sound device driver installer. Those are the materials, tools, equipment, and testing devices. LAN card is a network interface card. This is a computer circuit board or card that is installed in a computer so that it can be connected to a network. Server is a part of a network. It is a special computer that users on the network can access to carry out a particular job. Next, we have port hub or port. Is a connection on the back of a computer or other devices. A port is either a serial port or a parallel port. Modem, modulator, demodulator. The modem is a device that allows a given computer to share data or otherwise a device which lets computers exchange information. Then, scanner. It is an input device that reads text or illustration printed on paper, translates the information into a form that a computer can use. Flat screwdriver is used to drive or fasten negative slotted screws. USB or Universal Serial Bus, a hardware interface for low-speed peripherals such as the keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, printer, and telephony devices. Printer is a piece of hardware that produces a paper copy, also known as hard copy, of the information generated by the computer. RAM, or Random Access Memory, is a primary memory. This memory is used inside the computer to hold programs and data while it is running. BIOS, or Basic Input-Output System, chip that controls the most basic functions of the computer and performs a self-test every time you turn it on. Flash drive, RAM, that can retain data without electrical power. It is widely used for BIOS chips and for digital camera and digital music storage. The next we have video camera. Camera using videotape, a camera that records onto videotape. Long nose pliers is used for holding, bending, and stretching the lid of electronics components or connecting wire. Soldering iron is used to join two or more metal conductors with the support of soldering lead melted around it. Desoldering tool is used to unsolder unwanted parts or component in the circuit with the support of soldering pencil. Then we have Phillips screwdriver. Is used to drive or fasten positive slotted screws. LAN tester for RG11, 12, 45, and BNC with remote unit. This ergonomic tester is designed to test most network cable wiring. You can either conduct an auto or manual test. UTP or unshielded twisted pair is a popular type of cable used in computer networking that consists of two shielded wires twisted around each. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any questions, clarifications, you can contact my cell phone number 0905 1571 448. For your activity and test, just visit our GAITF link below. gaitf.sims.school/lcms. Okay, thank you for listening and see you next week.